Well, the great reset is here, guys. XRP, Ondo, if you guys hold these assets, you're interested in these assets, this video is for you. Go ahead and hit the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Ondo Finance is getting an ETF. At least that's what I think is going to happen after the news that just broke. XRP obviously tied in with Ondo. We've got some big news from Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon collaborating on a tokenized money market product. A lot going on in the crypto space all the time. As you guys know, make sure you guys are subscribed, locked in right now. Click that subscribe button. We are going to jump into it and waste no time for you guys. But before we jump in real quick, you got to join the newsletter. It's totally free, guys. We're getting ready to roll this out in August, but sign up now so you're on the list. You're going to get this free newsletter 3 times per week, guys. 3 times per week. It's going to drop right into your inbox. The link is right down below. So easy to get to. Go check it out. Get on the list right now. You're not going to want to miss what we've got in order for you to build wealth in crypto. This will come right into your inbox every single day. So a little bit of a pullback in the market. Bitcoin down to 117.9 right now. Ethereum down a little bit more, but still we're getting a little recovery at the same time. XRP dipped down to 325. We're back to 329, 328 range right now after a little bit of a dip. Ondo Finance, as I mentioned, has got a lot of big news. They're sitting at 103. They popped up to 111 not too long ago. But I think I bookmarked this. Let me see here. Yeah, here it is. 21 shares filed for an S1 for a spot Ondo Trust ETF, guys. Ondo's going to be massive. This is what Crypto Ed says. I agree with Crypto Ed here. I do think Ondo is a huge, huge player here when we talk about the big institutional money pouring in. Then we've got some crazy news, and this all impacts XRP, obviously, because we're talking about the institutions, we're talking about the big banks, money coming in. This is how the market's moving right now. It's all on catalysts. You know, it's all about the institutions and the big banks. That is what's pushing crypto higher right now. Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, they're collaborating on a tokenized money market product. So they are looking to, says here, as the financial system transitions toward a more digital real-time architecture, BNY is committed to enabling scalable and secure solutions that shape the future of finance. Mirrored tokenization of MMF shares is the first step in its transition. The initial launch will have participation from BlackRock, BNY Investments, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs, while the official books, records, and settlement will be maintained by BNY Mellon. Using tokens representing the value of shares of money market funds would enable us to unlock their utility as a form of collateral and open up more seamless transferability in the future. So expanding participation in the global financial services via tokenized assets is a growing trend. Obviously, we saw Robinhood last month. They're tokenizing equity, their equity platform to provide greater access to American stocks for those in Europe. This is all, again, pointing to Ondo, XRP. It's a tokenized future that we're getting ready for, guys. And it just speaks volumes in terms of where we are right now. We are so damn early when we look at where XRP's price is. It's all speculation right now still. And we're talking about XRP getting up well over a $200 billion market cap on pure speculation. Okay. Now, if you guys are looking for an interesting play, this is a sponsored portion of the video from Omni Exchange, your all-in-one liquidity platform. They are getting ready for a pre-sale that goes live in 2 days. It goes live on Friday. The final sprint, the TGE, begins. No whitelist, no noise, just Omni. One DEX, one token on 7 chains. They, at one time, the same builders of Omni Exchange, had the largest exchange on Base before Aerodrome came in and took over the stage. But you could be early to this. Be ready. Mark your calendars, July 25th. I'll leave the link down below for Omni Exchange. Shout out to them for sponsoring this portion of the video. So in other latest news relating to XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, kind of what's going on right now, we've got the news from Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, but we've also got some other interesting, tidbits here. An XRP trader reveals 14x gains, predicts $5 as the next stop. And XRP has been heating up, he says, trading just under 350 after briefly touching 365. I've never sold a single XRP in my life, Moon Lambo said. He shared that he had begun accumulating back in 2017 with an average entry of 25 cents. I started accumulating around 50 cents, so still not bad, right? But he's calling a $5 price target. Everybody's got some different targets in mind, guys. You know, and they're talking about the filing of the ProShares XRP futures ETF. I think what we're really waiting for are the big ETFs that actually are going to be impactful, the ones from BlackRock and the big dogs. Those are going to come, I think, after the Clarity Act. Once the Clarity Act's through, I think we're going to see XRP, Ondo, HBAR, Solana, all your top assets that have already been filed. I think they're quickly going to get approved once the Clarity Act is pushed through. This is going to be, I think, the last big frontier before we get a lot more ETFs through. But we've also got some other insights here, some other details that we can talk a little bit about. Let's see here. XRP backed up to hit $4. This came out a little bit ago. It says here, despite the volatility, XRP still showing strength. Not only is the price increase noteworthy that we've had recently, but the market conditions that support it are also noteworthy. All liquidity metrics are showing green flashes still. XRP is one of the healthiest order books on the market, with both buyers and sellers demonstrating a high level of interest. The volume has been insane on XRP. So we'll continue to watch kind of where we go here as we close out the week. XRP is down about 7% right now. So nice little pullback, could be an entry, could be an opportunity for you, depending on your goals. Obviously, you could check out all my exchanges that I've got linked down below as well. But I'm very excited about just where I have my capital right now in terms of XRP and Ondo and HBAR and Stellar and Sui, Solana, Ethereum. I'm really top heavy right now, but it feels like the right play given the institutions that are coming, right? And that is kind of where I'm at right now. I'm really not trying to outthink or outsmart things, but this is some big news for XRP, especially, you know, with the institutional push for tokenizing money markets. That's huge. I think XRP can get some play there. Obviously, they're already tokenizing U.S. equities and with Ondo, and Ondo then gets the filing for an ETF today. These are two plays that are kind of, you know, going hand in hand, and I like them both. And guys, the great reset is here. This is what we've been waiting for a very long time. It's upon us. It's happening right before our eyes. And a lot of people are going to miss this. So do your part, get people involved, tell them too to join the newsletter. It's totally free. This is going to help you just get free information 3 times a week, and it's totally free. And yeah, if you want to build wealth in crypto, this is going to be a nice tool for you. So definitely sign up down below. Just name an email and you'll be ready to go. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.